Okay, welcome to Metal Math. Be right back. Okay, today we're going to work on lesson 2.1, new chapter, new lesson. We are going to be doing multiplication comparisons. We are on page 63. I will read the unlock the problem for you, so follow along. Carly has 9 pennies. Jack has 4 times as many pennies as Carly. How many pennies does Jack have? Okay, well first I'm going to show you the little model on top to get you ready to do this problem on your own. It says you can use multiplication to compare amounts. For example, you can think of 15 equals 3 times 5 as a comparison in 2 ways. First, we can say that 15 is 3 times as many as 5. We can also say that 15 is 5 times as many as 3. I will now illustrate that for you on the board. Okay. Here's our first model. 15 is 3 times as many as 5. Notice we have 1 5. 3 times as many as 5 would equal 15. That's the first way that you can write that. You can also say that 15 is 5 times as many as 3. Here we have our 3. 5 times 3 would equal 15. Okay? So that's 2 different ways that we can illustrate 15. Okay, now let's go back to our problem that we started the lesson with. Okay? Now I want you to think of something before we do this. You could think of Carly's pennies as being compared to Jack's. So we're going to compare Carly and Jack. The model is going to show you that Carly has 9 pennies and Jack has 4 times as many pennies as 9, or 4 times 9. Since the total number that Jack has is unknown, you can write n equals 4 times 9. Okay, so the n is like the unknown. Okay, so let's take a look at our model. Before we do that, we realize we want to compare Carly's pennies to Jack's pennies. Let's go take a look at our model. Okay, here we go. Notice, C is for Carly. She has 9. Jack has 4 times as many. So what we do is we draw 1 box for Carly, put a 9 in it. We draw 4 boxes for Jack because Jack has 4 times as many. We put a 9 in each box. And then we have our equation, n equals blank times blank. Well, as you notice, we have 4 and 9 is in each box. So 4 times 9 would equal 36, and n, therefore, is 36. Okay, so 2 different ways you can look at multiplication. For this problem, we knew that Carly had 9, Jack had 4 times as many. So we draw our model. N would represent what Jack has. 4 times 9, 36. So fill in your page. Okay, what was that? Page 63 with Unlock the Problem. And we'll be back with another lesson soon.